Are you tired of your plain Jane face? Do you look like Sadaku in the morning? And you just don't know what to do, that you just want to fade into the background sometimes? I don't want your love. Well, you have come to the right place. Hey everyone, this is Sweeney, the Try It Chick. Welcome or welcome back, and today I'll be teaching you guys how to look like a human being again. As we all know, this pandemic hasn't really been nice to anyone. We are more stressed or depressed, and usually that comes out in a form of pimples. To cover these imperfections, we're going to use Etude House Cushion Foundation. I love using a cushion foundation because you don't need a primer. All you need to do is wash your face and then slap this on and you're good to go. Another perk for this cushion foundation is that it has SPF 34, so it could also serve as a sunscreen. If you've never used a cushion foundation before, it's pretty easy. You just press the sponge against the source. And to get the best results, make sure you dab and not swipe. If your blemishes are still visible after the first application, this foundation is buildable, so simply add some more. To achieve those natural looking bushy brows, we'll be using Glossier Boy Brow. If you haven't noticed, bushy brows are making a comeback, and that's actually a good thing because bushy brows makes you look young. The thicker your brows, the younger you look. These brow creams are really hard to control sometimes, and they tend to really over thicken. To solve this problem, we're going to use Anastasia Beverly Hills Deep Brow Pomade. So what we're going to do is that we'll try to balance out these brows by filling in the empty spots, and by doing so, these should make our brows more defined.
I've been winning like I found the perfect cheat code. Social distance, shawty, don't get close to people. Had a lot of problems, but I couldn't keep them. I've been on a so big to wipe out lethal. Switch it up, ayy. Take it slow, bring it back, let them know, break it down to the flow, pick it up, let it go, baby. Back on the grind, don't shake my shine. You could do me wrong, I'ma be alright, cause you could try to pull me back down, but it's gonna take you a while. Back on the grind, don't shake my shine. You could do me wrong, I'ma be alright, cause you could try to pull me back down, but it's gonna take you a while.
Then we're going to put on eyeshadow primer.
I'm resilient, like an apple tree, always wanted more. Day job bother me, but I get money, yeah, like it falls from trees. I just wanna dance, I just wanna sing.
Next, we're going to use the most basic eyeshadow palette ever. For the first shade, we're going to use the lightest brown in the whole palette, called Faith. By choosing a brown that is quite similar to your skin color, this will give off a natural looking deep set eyes, that dimension and depth that your eyes are missing. But if you are born with deep set eyes, you can go ahead and skip this step.
Take it slow, bring it back, let 'em know. Break it down take you a while. Back on the grind. Don't shake.
For the second shade, we're gonna use a darker brown called Lockout. And we'll just use this shade as an eyeliner, outlining the outer corners of our eyes.
Every single time, what did you make of it? Every day could be a memory you won't forget. Before you die, you gotta live like you were made for this. It's a wild world out there, you gotta go for it. Yeah. Every single time, what did you make of it? Every day could be a memory you won't forget. Before you die, you gotta live like you were made for this. It's a wild world out there, you gotta go for it. Yeah.
What's there to say? There's nothing but space.
And by using a smudge brush, soften up the edges from the eyeliner.
It's okay that we change, but it feels kinda strange that you're not in my life.
Next, we're gonna apply mascara. Over here I have Glossier Lash Slick, which is currently my favorite mascara. It lengthens your lashes without giving you the clumps.
That never grows. I was
Then use a lash curler to curl your lashes. In order to preserve the natural look for this tutorial, we're not going to be using false lashes. So if you have long luscious lashes, this would look great, but in my case, they're barely there.
one more time. I should've told you that I loved you every night. Oh, that's on my mind.
Next up is the blush, and over here I have Tarte Amazonian Clay in the shade Captivating. To make this look as natural as possible, make sure you choose the lightest shade of blush.
Don't say it's okay if I'm falling and you're running away.
Last but not least, we're gonna put on our lipstick. Over here I'm using Glossier Generation G lipstick in the shade Cake. In order to maintain that natural look, make sure you use a matte lipstick and not a lip gloss or anything that shines, because that just doesn't look very natural. And make sure the shade is closest to your natural lip color.
I should've told you that I loved you one more time, one more time.
Now it's time for the final reveal. Your face should be flawless and glowing with a subtle touch of color. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!